Marke Systems DDQ series. Quality 1 millisecond ahead. Red Glass, active double 12-inch bandpass subwoofer, 38 to 120 Hz frequency response, 2800 watts peak power, maximum SPL, 132 dB, Class D Hypex power amplifier modules, Sharp DSP, 24-bit, 48 kHz, custom-made Neodym woofer, state-of-the-art analog-digital converters, 127 dB dynamic range. Unique DSP programming with IIR filters. 1 millisecond look-ahead peak limiter. The analog signal is given a latency of 1 millisecond, which allows the DSP to analyze the signal 1 millisecond before the actual signal arrives. The results are fully intact waveforms, so no distortion at all. Reduces sound pressure level on rear, up to 20 dB. Keeps stage silent. Reduces unwanted reflections from rear walls. Improves sound quality in the audience area. Easy and quick setup. No external signal processors needed. 4 possible cardio in-array setups. 4 stacks or arrays of 2 or 3 subwoofers. Rugged touring design. High quality components. DSP control protections for power supply, amp module and speaker chassis. Made in Germany. Stereo input, mono summing. Stereo output. Aux output, high pass filter 100 Hz. 7 selectable low-pass frequencies, 80 to 120 Hz. 2 M20 threaded flanges. 3 corner handles. Only 32.5 kilograms. No feature jungle. We broke it down to the essentials. An immaculate distortion-free sound, whopping power and utmost reliability in a lightweight subwoofer. The DDQ series, groundbreaking technology, accessible for everyone.